Okay, I have Excel spreadsheets open here in front of me and I'm about to do a VLookUp. You can see that I have a spreadsheet that has a list of cities and various areas, and over here then we have managers for the various areas. What I want to do is I want to get the VLookUp to enter the appropriate manager name for each area. So I'm going to click in the cell where I want the answer to be. I am going up to Formulas, Insert Function, and I have used VLOOKUPs recently, so they're here in my most recently used section. But if they weren't there, you could go and type VLOOKUPs in up here and click Go, and it will find the VLOOKUP function for you. But here it is here, so I am just going to click OK. So what I want to look up, the lookup value is going to be Wales. So I want to look up the area Wales. And where do I want to look it up? I want to look it up in this table here. Okay, we don't include the titles in the table array, we just include the actual data in the table. Because I am going to want to use my fill handle at the end in order to fill my formula all the way down the column, I'm going to use absolute referencing on these cell references here. So I'm going to use the F4 function key in order to put those absolute references on. And you can see they have appeared here. Okay. I'm then going to move on to the column index number, and this means which of these columns in my selected table array is the answer in. And what we are looking for is the name of the manager, and the name of the manager is in the second column in our table array. This is the first column here, and this is the second column over here. So we are going to click in here for column index number, and we're going to type in number 2. If we don't need to use the range lookup, our formula or function will work perfectly correctly with just these 3 sections completed. So if I click OK, you will see that the VLOOKUP has returned the name Aled Roberts as the manager for Wales. And if we check that over here, yes, Aled Roberts is the manager for Wales. So if I now use my fill handle and copy that function all the way down the column, you can see all the various managers have now been entered into our table. And that is a VLOOKUP.